If you struggle to remove backgrounds without destroying hair details, this method will completely fix that. Look at these results: clean edges, natural hair, and no rough cutouts. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple Photoshop technique to remove backgrounds while keeping hair details sharp and realistic. Even if you're a beginner, you can follow every step. You can see the before and then after. So firstly, I will just delete this group and we start from the swatch. So let me first show you the problem. When you zoom in, you can see that these hairlines, all these spaces between the hairs are full of the background. As you can see, the background is inside these lines or these spaces in between the hair. So most of photographers don't know how to cut out this hair perfectly and professionally. So when we use normal selection tool, the hair usually gets destroyed and look fake. So that's what we are going to fix today. So firstly, I'll just come to the select and I'll just scroll down to the select and mask. So after that, you can see that this slider is in transparency. So I will just increase the transparency at around 100. So after that, I will just come to the select subject and we will just wait for a little seconds so that the Photoshop select for us the subject. As you can see, the Photoshop has finished selecting the subject. So what we are going to do is we are just going to come to this view mode, and this helps us to select and see these lines or these edges perfectly. As you can see, I just came and selected the ovary so that I see the lines perfectly. So after that, I'll just come and scroll down to the output settings. I think you can see them, they are down here. So I just come and open it, and then I'll just come and select these decontaminate colors, and the amount should be at around 100%. So after that, I'll just come and select the refine edge brush tool. Just come and select it. So after that, I'll just come and zoom in and I will start selecting these unwanted colors or background onto the model's hair. As you can see, I'm just selecting it out, trying to remove it out. This helps us to create a professional looking image to our customers or to our clients. So, and this is the most important part for fixing hair. So here we can refine all the edges before removing the background. So as you can see that I'm gently brushing over the hair. As you can see, and actually this helps Photoshop to understand the fine hair details, and please take your time while doing this to get the perfect result. And make sure that every edge around is surely selected or surely cleaned. As you can see that I'm trying to do that. Most photographers don't know this trick, and this is a powerful trick which helps us to create more professional look to this kind of photos while editing them or while changing background. Take your time and select each and every part in this process. So when I zoom out, you can see that it's now looking more professional like before. So after removing or cleaning these out, we are going to just come and press OK. And you can go back and you can either increase on the smooth or increase on the feather a little bit, the contrast, and play around with the shift edge if needed. After that, press OK. So right now you can see the before and then after, the before and then after. And if you would like to change the background professionally, you just need to come here to the adjustment layer and come to the solid color. So before going there, so if you see any rough edges, don't worry, you just need to select the brush tool just need to select the brush tool and go on and start removing them. As you can see, if there is some rough edges, but if there is no need to do that. So after that, you can just come and change the background professional. Just need to come to the background layer and then come to the adjustment layer, scroll up and go to solid colors. So after selecting solid colors, you can see that I can change the background easily by any color I feel like. You can see that every color fits this model style or this model hairstyle. You can see that even if I select white, you can see that it actually fits this model's hair. So let me try to select a color here. I think green will pop up for this image, or let me select the yellow one, I think. So you can see how easy it is to cut out this unwanted background in the model's hair. So, and now you can see the final results. So when I group this, you can see the final results. So you can see the final result. And now just look at the final result. You can see that it's a clean hair, smooth edges, and a professional cutout. This is how you properly remove backgrounds in Photoshop without destroying hair details. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.